That is a hookbill thrasher over there that just flew over here. He's got a long tail, a hooked nose, and yellow eyes. And Larry is over here. He freaks out and puffs his wings and starts chasing them all over the yard. He's being polite, but he can get what he wants anytime. King of the birds. Huh, Larry? King of the birds. I wonder what he's thinking. These guys are fighting over nothing. There's nothing in the basket. There's nothing in that basket. I've already fed him twice. I'm not going to feed him a third time. Oh, we got to fight. Underneath the tree. You don't want Larry and someone else at the same time. Larry usually wins too. He fights these guys. Oh, there he is. Look at him, huh? Of course, Ollie is my fountain is great. Larry ate a gecko there yesterday. You happy, Ollie? Chase Larry away. Oh well.